Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Red Ball 4 on iPhone. So let's get started. First, locate the Red Ball 4 game on your home screen. Tap on the Red Ball 4 game and hold onto it until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, select the Remove App option. Choose the Delete App option to confirm that you want to uninstall Red Ball 4. Finally, tap on the Delete option and now the Red Ball 4 game will be uninstalled from your device. And this is how you can uninstall Red Ball 4 on iPhone. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.